all, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing great and smiling today, because on this channel we believe in learning with a smile. So friends, today's topic is very important, especially for students like us. Today I am going to talk you about NEET. Many students have heard about this word NEET. But honestly, what is NEET? Why is everyone scared of NEET? Is it really that much difficult? Don't worry, in this video I will explain about NEET in very simple words. Step by step, no tension, no pressure. So stay till the end, because this video can change the way you think about NEET. What is NEET? Let's start from the basics. NEET stands for National Eligibility Entrance Test. So in simple words, NEET is an entrance exam for students who want to become doctors. If your dream is to study MBBS, BDS or any other medical course, NEET is conducted once every year, and it is a national level exam, once exam for the whole country. So whether you are from Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai or anywhere in India, why is NEET so important? Now, this is a very important question. NEET is important because it decides who can become a doctor. It gives admission to government and private medical colleges. One single exam replaces many different exams. Without NEET, you cannot study MBBS in India. So yes, NEET is the first big step towards becoming a doctor. But remember one thing, NEET is a step, not the whole journey. Subjects in NEET. So now let's talk about what do we study for NEET. NEET has basically 3 main subjects, and don't worry, I will explain this in very simple words. So, biology is the most important subject. Biology is the heart of NEET. It carries the maximum weightage. So, if you love biology, NEET becomes much easier for you. Biology has 2 parts. Botany, which means study of plants. Zoology, which means study of animals and the human body. Most questions in NEET are from directly NCERT. So, clear reading and understanding are very important. If biology is your strong subject, you already have a big advantage. So, now physics. Let's talk about physics, and please don't panic. Physics in NEET is all about motion, force, energy and logical problem-solving questions. Physics does not test your mugging power. It tests your conceptual understanding. Once your basics are clear and you practice regularly, and trust me guys, physics can become more interesting and scoring too. Chemistry. Chemistry is also 3 main parts. Physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Chemistry is all about practice plus concepts. Is NEET only for toppers? Let me be very honest here. NEET is not only for toppers. NEET is not only for genius students. NEET is for consistent students. To crack NEET in the future, you need discipline, patience, time management and self-belief. Remember this line, NEET is not about being the smartest. It is about being consistent. Even small daily efforts matter. I have a message for school students. If you are in class 6, class 7th, 8th, 9th or 10th, please listen me carefully. You don't need to panic from today. You don't need coaching pressure from now onwards. Just focus on NCERT, build strong basics, enjoy learning. If you start only with calmness, your future will become easier. One very important thing I want to say, that NEET is important, but your mental health is more important. Don't compare yourself with others. Learn with joy, learn with curiosity. Step by step, success will come. If you dream of becoming a doctor, believe in yourself, respect your parents and teachers. Stay focused, never give up. Dream big, but move slowly, strongly and consistently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this explanation, like this video, comment your class and dream. Subscribe to Smart Steps by Navya, because here we learn with a smile and grow step by step. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.